doing a Lion Brand Santa Sock mystery unboxing. I bought 2 and I saw that it said that limit 1, but then if you look down more it says limit 1 because it can be the same if you order more than 1. And it's like, okay, I'll take the chance because it's good to order 2. They were $19.99 on sale. I watched Bag O' Day Crochet, and when I saw it, I was like, oh, I've never gotten that, so let me try, right? I've gotten Lion Brand mystery boxes, but not the Santa mystery bag. So it's like, I'm loving these bags. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas in July. So this is what the bag looks like. It is a nice canvas bag. Supposedly you get 12. And I've opened it because I've made a side order and I was nosy. I cannot not open up something when I receive it. I can't. I can like refrain from using it, but to look at it, I can't. Surprises like kill me. They said you're supposed to get 12. I've watched a few unbagging videos. I've seen some people open up bags with just 3 sets of 3, which is just 9 items. And then some open 4 sets of 3 different skeins. That's 12. And when I looked at mine, so let's go with the first one and then I'll show you what I got on the side. So the title is like The Truth About Lion Brand Santa Socks and Unboxing. Why? Because, first of all, let's just show you this. I was happy to get this. I've seen other people unbox it. It's very soft. It's the Ice Cream Roving. It's 7 ounces, 200 grams, 100% acrylic. And gorgeous, gorgeous colors. So I have some rose pink, white, and lavender. Gorgeous. So there's 3 of those. Limited edition. So let's open one. It says neutrals, but I've seen it say neutrals and it'd be a different color of neutrals. So this one's more tan based. It is a 4-weight. Oh, FYI, this is also a 4-weight. It is a nice light tan. 100% acrylic, 3.5 ounces. And I know Bag O' Day Crochet, Crystal doesn't particularly like this yarn. She said it feels weird, it feels waxy. For me, it's trying to give off a cotton feel and look. I think it'll be fine, you know. I mean, it's a little scratchy, so I wouldn't make baby stuff. I think it'll be cool for amigurumis. I think it'll be cool to make some placemats. If you have enough of it because you ordered too many mystery boxes, Afghan, something to put over the couch and you use it if you get cold in the winter. I mean, it'll warm you up, that's for sure. This. So it is Lion Brand Hometown. And I got a beautiful charcoal gray. Now, I appreciate getting grays, navy blues, blacks, reds when it comes to a bulkier yarn. And this is a 6-weight. It is 5 ounces. It is 100% acrylic. The reason I appreciate these because these make a good winter hat. 2 will make a nice scarf. I love it. I love it. It's just a good way to make a hat and scarf set for Christmas. Like right here. See, within these 3, I got a hat and scarf set for Christmas. And then I was like, and I realized Crystal got 3 bags. One of them had just 9 yarns, which is 3 sets of 3. But her other 2 had 4 sets of 3. I was watching a live of a fellow Mystery Yarn Challenge participant, and I was seeing that she got 12. And then she mentioned you get 12. I was like, I didn't get 12. And I'll show you. In bag number 2. I got another set of the ice cream yarn. I'm happy. They had like very few variations. There was like this would be the main thing, and if you didn't get this, you would get 3 big nice cotton cakes, which I like those. They're like very beautiful cotton cakes. I've made scarves and hats with those and I love them. And or you'll get velveteen, like a chenille velvet yarn, which I love those too, guys. I know a lot of people don't like working with them other than the amigurumi crocheters or knitters, but I love making rugs with chenille or a cute little throw with chenille. I just love it. If you can hand knit them and it'll be bigger and you just get more for your bang. I just love them. It's like, I know there's a lot of yarns that are not so savory to some of us. For me, it would be more novelty yarns and not savory at all. And for many, I've heard, do you like novelty yarns? Let me know down below. The Gray Homespun, another hat scarf set or hooded infinity scarf set. I'm not complaining at all. And then we have another one. It's the same color. It's like a light beige. That was it. So guys, 9 when you're supposed to get 12. So here is the truth about Lion Brand. It's more like a awareness that things that people don't tell you. If you knew, it'd be a better payoff, right? Because $19.99 for 9 yarns. And it's like, yes, I understand that maybe they're like $6.99, $7.99 each, but it's a mystery bag. That means it's sale yarn, especially the limited edition. It's sale yarn or yarn that hasn't sold as much or yarn that they've made too many of. So it's like they're finding their own way to get rid of it and not have such a loss for the company, right? Well, I took a chance. I sent them my order number on the subject, and then I let them know that I ordered 2 Santa bags and they only had 9 balls of yarn, but it states you get 12, so I'm missing 6 balls in total. They sent me an email confirming that they received my email, but I could not reply to that email. And then today, like a few days later, it only took like 2 days. Yeah, like 2 days later, I get an order email confirmation, and it says I'm getting 3 of their basic and 3 of their Moroccan Nights. Now, their basics is good because it's acrylic yarn and it's going to be a basic color, and it's great for hats and scarves and winter goods. So I'm fine with that. But the Moroccan Nights, I'm getting 3 of those. I'm totally excited about them because they have a roving, colorful blend, and it's like, oh, so beautiful. I am excited. So it does not hurt to email and voice your concerns. Wow, Lion Brand, your customer service is quick, easy, hassle-free, and you guys came up with a solution within a few days. Like, I'm saying 2 tops. That is amazing. And it's not like, tell me about the solution in 2 days. No, you resolved it and let me know. The solution is that we owe you 6 balls and we just send it to you. Here's your confirmation. Yay! So I'm so very excited that I will be receiving more yarn in the mail. Who doesn't get happy about that, right? Especially if you're yarning. As in clickbait, I really did have to share something that you need to know about Lion Brand Santa sacks. I always look to see if they have a clearance or sale tab, and they did. So I got these, the Mandala Craft Cakes. Bag O' Day received this last year in one of her Lion Brand mystery boxes. And I had ordered 2 mystery boxes. I didn't get this, but this is adorable. They look like little hearts. It's not much, but it's like you get 2 of each color. And this was just $10. Usually it's 20 and change. So I got 2. So I figured 2 balls of each color won't make much, but 4 balls would make something, like a hat or a cute little mini cowl, even awesome granny squares. I love granny square bucket hats. I've seen people wearing them. I've seen them online. I haven't made one yet. What do you think? And I ordered just one little one because I wanted to see, and it was I think $5.99. I think it's a lot for this, but because it's a glow in the dark yarn, I guess not. because it's like, that's kind of amazing, right? And it's very, very little, as in it's only 1.75 ounces, and it is a 4-weight, but it glows in the dark. And I have this thing that I wanted to make some Jack Skellington coasters, so I probably could only get 2, but I think it would be amazing, maybe 3 tops, but I think it would be amazing to have some Jack Skellington coasters. And if I don't keep them as coasters, I can make a Halloween garland, and it would glow in the dark. How cute would that be? The other one that I bought from Amazon, I want to make a Jack Skellington Scully hat, so I can actually wear it and it would glow in the dark at night. Make it worth the while of how much you're going to spend on it. Last but not least, I've been wanting to get one of these. I made my glam son, I'm going to put that little picture here. I made my glam son a Cookie Monster hat. And it was the first time I ever made something like that. It was not the easiest. I had to redo it. And I just did not realize, my good friend told me, that kids usually have the same head size as adults. And they're not, she's not lying. She is not lying. Because it did not, first one did not fit him. So I had to get it back, take it apart, and just keep the top part, and then go at the bottom one more time so I could fit. I felt so bad. And then I saw this. And I'm going to put this through the knitting loom so it can give me enough yarn for a Scully. And then I will take white yarn and make a trim, because I thought this was so cute and I need to put it on him, even though the one I made was pretty cool. But it's just like, I don't know, this little thing. And he loves Cookie Monster. And I love him. So that's all I have. Once again, if all you got was 9 balls of yarn, you deserve 3 more. Get on that email and get your order number and let them know. You will receive your yarns hassle-free. And you get another box of yarn coming in the mail. Yay! Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye! Future Senior is here, and I received the 6 yarns that were missing from the Santa sack. So I got 6 because both of my Santa sacks only had 9. So, but I'm so excited because it's like, it's not limited edition. I got the Moroccan Nights. This is so beautiful. So it's a red and tan and a blue and tan blend, and it has sparkle, and the sparkle is like blue, like a light blue. This is so cool. Look at this. I don't know if you could, oh, there's the sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Had to get the glasses on real quick. It's called Wishes, and it is a 3-weight, 3.5 ounces, acrylic 98%, polyester 2%. It is so beautiful. For the second Santa sack, I received 3 of the Basic Stitch Reflective. It's anti-pilling acrylic yarn. It's a 4-weight. It's 2.5 ounces. And it's 88% acrylic and 12% polyester. So the reflective would be the gray strings that are across that. And when I look at the gray strings, I'm getting that, you know, that little like light effect where it looks like it's, it kind of creeps me out a bit because it looks like it's moving. It's so weird. Like when I move it and then the reflective, like it looks like a different dimension of yarn, which that is amazing. Yes. Woo. I want to make a hat, beanies. Like maybe I can get 2 beanies out of these 3 with the knitting loom. And I think beanies are cool because it's reflective, right? So it's like people would see it. And maybe I'll use a little bit of the glow in the dark yarn that I bought for them to make a pom-pom. So it's like, okay, if you don't see my reflection when you're putting light on me, you are darn well gonna see my glow in the dark pom-pom. So that's what I thought about making with this. I thought that would be cool. I think it's smart to make something that's very visible, especially if you're riding on a bike. That is awesome. So that was Futurestina. I love you all. Thank you for watching.